Okay, anybody that has got this has got to knock these weak hands out. And this was where these traders, probably a lot of them, gave it up at the highs. And this support zone is where the luck of the draw comes. You need timing and you need some help. This bar is the help. Right here, we say we need a big boy to come in. And this, it makes perfect sense that these traders want profits. They're not going to come out until they get forced out. This bar right here takes out the weak hands. All these traders here are weak hands. It's what the eyes. Thank you, Jason. Just a matter of putting together a couple of common sense ideas. Okay, we said the 30 was over under. Okay, it had lost its effectiveness. Right? We said the 10-minute chart. The squeeze was on from here, but these were weak hands. I said, I'm not going to add in up there. Who the heck wants to do that late day? Somebody wants profits. It's like a Z pattern, right? So the squeeze is on, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze until somebody wants profits. And that's the end of day move. This is sequence trading at its best. You know, resistance zone here. End of day, boom. 60-minute chart, we said, was coming at us, right? Look at the 60. That's got to be coming at us saying, no, you don't. Big boys are going to step in saying, okay, where do you think you're going, you little runt? The 120 chart coming at you, and the 240 chart coming at you. So this was a good day for the longs to dig out, and then who in the world wants to just hang on and say, okay, now I'm not going to take my profit. You want to go 65, you want to go 63, you want to go 68, whatever. You don't have to do it all one shot. You know, the guys that are crowing about, I want those targets. You could take what you already got and then say, I'm going to reload, and that's where I'm going. Why not? That's what we call accumulating profits. So guess what? Say you bought back here 45. Now you know you have to take something out off the table, and then your trailer gets whacked. Let it go. Beautiful. Just that one little adjustment. One little adjustment helped us. Said, okay, man, maybe they're going to stall here. So we put on a little bit tighter. We'll knock out the weak hands. Beautiful trade. This is a rescue mission for anybody that was caught. They're going to try to get out. They're not thinking, okay, now I want to hold. Now I'm going to hold and we're going this way. They're going to say, whew, wow, am I lucky? Don't have to talk to my wife about how I had a good day going and I got beat. How'd you do? I broke even today, you know. Won the front side, lost the back side, broke even. Anyways, that's today's trade. I think that, you know, anything goes in the last 15, 20 minutes. We had said this looked like a nice resistance zone over here, right? That was big help. This looks to me like this is getting ready for a short. We'd hit our profit targets in here. We're still stalling here. All I can say is try to find a couple of decent trades a day and get out of the way. Magnet. If you're looking on your magnet, it's 49.5. All right? 49.5 is the magnet. That's the target. Once we start coming down that direction, you want to think about scaling out at that target. Best I can do, guys. Hope that helps. Perfect, to the tick. On the low side today, that symmetry we found, and on the upside, perfect symmetry there in the 456. Don't make this complicated. All this time is nothing. It's about closing. It's about opens. It's about profit-taking sequences. So that's about timing. And you could go and go play golf all day long and walk in, and you could make as much in a half an hour playing the right trade, just understanding that, as traders that have been here. Oh, I came in here, I'm going to just try to buy, and I'm going to try to hold on, I'm going to have a great day, and next thing you know, boom. So timing is very important in this business. Well done. Take care, Jason. Thank you. Appreciate it. See you tomorrow.